Greetings, my friends. Happy Thursday night to all of you. President Biden has just enacted a new bill. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi has also announced the next steps that Congress will be taking to pass more crisis relief aid for the American people. Lawmakers have confirmed that the price of goods could finally begin to decrease. Dear friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video for all of these details. Also know that I'll be giving away Walmart gift cards 4 days a week. If you would like to enter the giveaways, simply click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember, friends, that the more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the $75 gift card.
Congressman Gomer, thank you. I appreciate it. It's the joy of this week's schedule and then trying to get our floor time. Look, I try to come behind the mic at least every week when we're here, and the last few times I've been rather cranky. I'm intensely frustrated on policies of the majority. You know, the majority, the Democrats, the left have controlled this place now for what, 15 months. Poor people are poor, working poor are poor, middle class is poor, and there's just this frustration for people like myself on we got to stop it, stop hurting people. And a couple of the responses to the YouTube video that went out on one of the previous floor speeches was, okay, just give us something optimistic. So let's try to do something optimistic today. But understand, this optimism requires this body to think differently, particularly my brothers and sisters in the majority. On occasion, you're going to have to back away from who writes checks, and start to think about what would the future look like if we would just even fixate, focus, consider, listen to some of these ideas.
If you are a taxpayer, you might be in for a refund from your state. Under a rare rebate program approved by lawmakers in the state of Hawaii, taxpayers earning less than $100,000 annually and their dependents could each receive a $300 payment. Those earning more than $100,000 could get a rebate of $100. That means under this plan, a family of 4 may receive up to $1,200. Many lawmakers state that they were able to afford the payments, and that's thanks to the state's $2 billion budget surplus. Big budget surplus means more taxpayer help for nonprofits. The measure still has to be approved by Governor Igi's approval, but he has expressed support for it. In his State of the State address at the beginning of this year, he proposed $100 payments to taxpayers and their dependents. The current rebate plan is expected to cost the state about $250 million. Governor Laura Kelly and legislative leaders have all agreed to dedicate $154 million in federal stimulus funding to support economic development with the construction of commercial buildings and to improve resources available to low-income students who are struggling in school. Members of the State Finance Council, which includes Republicans and Democrats from the Senate and House, have adopted a recommendation to set aside $100 million for the expansion of structures which are needed to expand or attract businesses and jobs. The council also directed $50 million at a new program of $1,000 per child grants to be used by families in the way most useful to students who are struggling through the crisis. In addition, $4 million was approved to help school districts upgrade their internet connections to high-speed broadband services. So, my friends, do you think that state governments should allocate more money towards new relief programs for their residents? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. At least one member of the Democratic leadership says that the ongoing baby formula crisis will not hurt the Democratic Party's chances of winning this coming November. During a press conference today, House Speaker Nancy Pelosi, in a response to a question about her party possibly being hurt by the baby formula crisis at the polls in November, shrugged that notion off. Instead, Pelosi referred to the baby formula crisis as a kitchen table issue, and that when considering those kind of issues, friends, the key word for this video is Minnesota. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please do click and like several of my videos, and please make sure that you comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Pelosi stated there was no comparison between the two parties. Nancy Pelosi's comments come amid a weeks-long shortage of baby formula, which has left shelves in stores across the nation bare. To help alleviate some of these issues with the crisis, President Biden on Wednesday invoked the Defense Production Act in order to help speed up the production and shipment of baby formula. While Pelosi says that she does not believe the current baby formula situation will hurt the Democratic Party come this fall, she did admit that there are problems. So Pelosi had told reporters, "There are challenges, no question. We would like the crisis to not have had other variants emerge, but it did, and it's being dealt with. The inflation issues also related to other factors in terms of supply and the rest." Pelosi also stated, so again, that it's not about whether it exists or not. It's about what we are doing about the recognition and what we are doing about it. House Speaker Pelosi went on to list the steps that Democrats in Congress are taking to help solve these aforementioned issues that are affecting the lives of people across the U.S. She stated, so again, that it's not about whether it exists or not. It's about what we are doing about the recognition and what we are doing about it. One of the biggest things we're doing about it is that the Competes Act. Another is to take down the price at the gas pump. Another is to reduce the cost of food in these agriculture bills that we are doing. Well, my wonderful and amazing friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you. The winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Lisa de Oliveira. Congratulations, my friend. Please note, if I have announced you as the winner, do check your notifications page and send me an email, or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page. Remember, friends, I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. To enter these giveaways, all you have to do is click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Thursday.